This video shows you how to use the chat feature in the EventPilot Conference app. Chat allows logged-in attendees to publicly comment on sessions, exhibitors, and custom discussion topics. Chat includes private one-on-one messaging that users can access via the Networking tab. Let's switch over to our demo event to show you how, with just a tap, attendees can connect and communicate. Imagine you want to post a question in a session. In the Session Detail view, tap the message icon or scroll down to join the discussion. All logged-in users can join any of the discussions. Type your question and send. If you want to delete your message, use the three-dot menu. The same menu has different options for messages by other users. You can reply to individual messages, message the user one-on-one privately, report the chat comment if it is inappropriate, or block if you don't want to see any more messages from a particular user. Let's report this silly comment. If you want to see all the different discussions you have participated in, use the Networking tab. It shows you all of your discussions, including your private chats. If there is a new private chat message or activity within a session discussion, the home screen automatically notifies the user. In addition to session-specific discussion, attendees can participate in different group topics. These are usually displayed in their own tab, and you can even use this page to generate revenue and display a sponsor. While the community chats include a set of default topics, you can add your own topics if you are using our EventPilot Pro version. Imagine you want to ask attendees about their biggest takeaway from your conference. Let's set that up with the Conference App Builder. Go to Design and Custom Views. Here, there are several chat topics already built for you, like Job Board and Tell Us About Yourself. To create a new chat, click Add View. Select Chat Discussion View. Give your chat a title. In this case, What Did You Learn? We want to make sure content in this chat appears in the global search results, so we toggle Search on. Enter some brief text to describe what you expect attendees to discuss. Click Done. Now, we need to give the attendees a way to access the chat. This could be done via a button on the home screen, a navigation tab, or we can include it in the Community Chat list. The Community Chats is a pre-built custom view. Click the Edit button to customize it. On the right side of the screen is your workspace. You are able to customize any of the existing objects by clicking its edit icon. Any existing preloaded chat topic you don't need, you can simply delete using the trash can icon. On the left, you will find all of the objects you can drag into your custom view. To add our newly created topic, drag a button icon into the workspace. Once positioned, click the Edit icon to customize the button. Use the Action Builder at the top of the dialog to link the button with our new chat topic. Select Action, App Function, Custom View, and select the What Did You Learn custom view. Give the button a title. In our case, What Did You Learn? Choose an icon. Let's choose the Open Book icon. Click Done. Close the dialog by clicking X. Click Publish to view your changes in the app. In the mobile event app, make sure you receive the data update. Click More and Community Chats. And now, you can see our new What Did You Learn button that we added earlier into the Community Chats custom view. As a meeting organizer, you can moderate the public chat messages. On the home screen, scroll down and click User Moderation. In the Comment Management tab, you can remove a comment or block the user as necessary. You can also filter by the comments that other users have marked as spam, or quickly remove all comments flagged by users. If you have purchased EventPilot Pro, you can further adjust and control the chat functionality. Click on Settings and App Settings. Scroll to the Widgets section. The discussion chat toggle is global and allows you to completely remove any chat or discussion. In the Activity Feed section, decide whether or not you want to show session discussion messages in the Activity Feed, which appears at the bottom of the home screen of the app. Let's leave this toggled on so that chat messages appear in the Activity Feed. Further down, choose whether you want the discussion chat enabled for only sessions or for both sessions and exhibitors. We'll keep both to maximize networking opportunities. If you made changes to any of these settings, publish to push those to the apps.